Hello, this is the Funny Bros, and it's quite late at night, and Jack is snoring and sleeping. So take a quick listen. Shh, be quiet. He snores quite loud. He can snore louder though. Check me. Okay, now it's try and wake him up. Ready? Who's there? What are you doing? No, not doing anything. Not doing anything. Go back. Okay, yeah, I'm going back. Bye.